bricks. Brick pam brick. Brick pam brick pam brick. Brick pam brick. Brick pam brick pam brick. When me I use me chopper phone, no chatting a lot. Or ram with me mother food. Spanish town.
Waaah, Gwaan YouTube, you don't know it's Shickaa Chung, and I'm back at it again with, as you can see from the title, a Jamaica vlog. Yes guys, I'm going back to yard. If you guys watch my previous video, you guys seen that I was preparing to go to Jamaica. So yeah, today is the day. So I just finished getting ready. I need to just sort out the rest of my bag. I just need to put like one thing in there and then my laptop, and then we can head to the airport. But here is a fit of the day. I wonder if my room is okay for me to do this with. Yeah. I got my necklace from Beauty Box Accessories, and then shirt to my little figure. Yeah, and then I'm gonna be wearing all white Converse. So yes guys, hey, Jamaica time. All right guys, see you guys later.
Bad mind, they know. Them a feel me hard. Let's quote up on my 15, so I see them fine. Not that check me right, the cash come, not drop my car. Kai what the remedy for that yard. Them only come around when things are bad. And only thing them contribute an option. When I have no time for yes man. Tell them go with them corruption. Like I mean I have my prefer do it all. I love the belly.
Hey guys, so I am at the checkout counter. I have my stuff, my suitcase. Guys, look at my new passport holder. It's so cute. It's rose gold, and it comes with a nice it comes with a pen and everything in it. It's so cute. But we're just waiting to check in and stuff like that. I bought this mask and it's actually small. But I like it because it's black. It matches with my outfit. These days you gotta wear a mask to match with your outfit. I swear to God, them blue mask ain't working out at all. But yes guys, I will get back to you guys when I am at my gate. So guys, I am now walking to my gate. If you guys watched my last series of vlogs when I came in the summer, y'all know when I said how this walk is long, and it's the same walk that I'm doing right now. So my bag was exactly 50 pounds. I'm so glad. They said my carry-on was too big. I always stuff the carry-on so big, so she checked in my carry-on for free, which it's less load on me, but then I have this big bag on me, which hurts my shoulder. Yeah. Okay guys, so I just reached, Lord God, look how me look messed up. I just reached, my ride is not even here yet, so I'm just here waiting for them to come, and them still there home, so it's a good while me I go wait for. Oh God, all this ear I stick up so. Right now my ear back feel raw because of the mask. Thank you. Sorry? Oh no, I have a ride, it's alright. It's alright. Yeah. I already have a ride. Yeah, so I'm there, I wait. A lot of taxi driver want to carry me home, but I'm gonna make them carry me. So I will catch you guys when I reach in the car or when I reach home.
Them a man friends and me walk on them. Me no love chat, but me a want them. Tell them this a real Shen Yang and